Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Dart SXT. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue, looks great. You do have your bi-function halogen projector style headlights right there. And over here we do have our 16-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. They still have lots of tread left on them and the rims look very nice. You do have your mirrors hanging out right there as well. Coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that SXT badging. You do also have the Dart right there. And to open it up, we just gotta hit the button on the keys here. Just like that. Looks great back here. Very soft interior as well. You can also fold those seats forward and you get a little bit more room back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got that one to open the back, and you got your panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Got a bit of silver accenting here, handle, and some storage down there. Looks great in here. I do like the seats. They are very comfortable, very soft. You get the controls over the seats right here, as well as right over here, we do have the controls over the lights. So our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control right there. And up here we do have our controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, 63,000, not too bad at all. Then you can switch that around a bit to your speedometer, your trip A and B. You also have your range till empty, average liters per 100 kilometers, current liters per 100 kilometers, tire pressure, oil life, and then your settings there. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options there, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have a volume up and down button, as well as the source changer in the center. And right over here we do have our radio. So we do have AM and FM through right here. You have your player right here for your disc. Then you also have your time, your info, and your presets down there. Volume up and down with the power. You have your eject and your CD player here. Your skip, mute, and pause, as well as your other skip, audio, menu, back button, and then you also have your tuner and browser there. Down here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, traction control, and your hazard lights, heat and cold, then where it's going to blow out, plus your defrosts. Down there we do have a plug-in and some storage, as well as you do have your gear shift right here. In the center you do have your cup holders with your e-brake. Open that guy up. You do have an aux cord plug-in right there with another plug-in. You can also come over here and you got your glove box. Looks great in there. And you do have your owner's manual as well. And then up top you do have some lights and a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have the same silver accenting. You have the control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front. You can also fold this guy down right here. You got some cup holders and an armrest. Fold that back up, and then right here you can pull this guy down. And you do have some extra room in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Dodge Dart SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.